What's up, YouTube? This is Mitchell here with Mitchell Makes Vids. I'm here to discuss the master referral affiliate links page to make that cash by myself. Okay, so this is just a brief overview. This link is currently in all of my video descriptions. This is a free page I made on Notion. So this is where you'll go to find all the main referral and affiliate links out there on the internet to make money. Okay, so we're just gonna go through them really quick. And I'm gonna update this page as time goes on, but just really quick, guys, you can make money by going to this link. It'll be in the video description right now. Go here, you can find all these referral links, sign up, make that money. So the first one is going to be with Go Mining. Okay, you can create your miner and start earning Bitcoin. Use my promo code, you get 5% cash back. All right, and I think there's some other bonuses as well. Next is deposit and trade 230 days and get $75 bonus with Kraken. Kraken is great. You can trade stocks now and cryptocurrencies. This one is for Gemini. Trade at least $100, you'll earn $75 of the crypto of your choice. Gemini. Dub. So this is where you can copy trades automatically. So there's really big portfolios. There's the Nancy Pelosi portfolio. So any sells, trades, buys occurs, that's going to happen to your portfolio. So if I invest $100 into the Nancy Pelosi portfolio, those trades will all automatically happen on my portfolio. So you could see the same results as Nancy Pelosi, Nancy Pelosi, let's say. And I think those gains currently are like over 100% year to date. This one's going to be for Webull. Deposit funds, get free shares. Get a free stock now using Robinhood, my link. $100 with the Moomoo, get free stocks. $20 in Bitcoin when you trade $100 with Uphold app, okay? Online, I use the app, you can do it online. Get a free stock with Public with a deposit of $1,000 with Public. $100 will both earn $50 to invest in real estate with a ground floor. Personally invested over $1,000 in ground floor, made some money with real estate. Coinbase, sign up, use my link, you'll earn $30 in Bitcoin. SoFi, give $25 in stock to each friend who joins SoFi Invest. Now these are other affiliate links. So turn $15 into unlimited daily payments forever. This right here, you'll pay $15 and then I think $10, and it's just unlimited $15 payments. So you'll refer whoever you refer, the first two people. I think one goes to the sponsor, so one payment will go to me, and then you'll keep the other two $15 referrals. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Check that out. System is profitspowersystem.com !money Mitch. Next one, 100 fresh leads every day. I use this every day. My lead gen secret, sign up with my link, and you'll be able to get 100 fresh leads every day. Leadsleap.com /R equals money Mitch. This is free traffic, autoresponder, page builder. This is everything to get, start making money. Build a profitable personal brand, without needing millions. So sign up here, financiallyfreeclub.com /money Mitch. This one is a trading indicator, predicts all markets with a very high win rate. Click that link. Create a school community. So school's really popular right now, people. You create your school community, sign up using my link, and you'll kind of start earning recurring revenue each month with people that join your community. This is going to be weight loss and energy with Mitolin. Click my link. This is for your metabolism, support natural fat burning with citrus burn. Click my link. Support clear hearing and healthier ears naturally. Discover that here using my link. So these are just other affiliate and referral links. This is up to you if you want to do any of these. Check this out. But these right here is, the best ways you're going to make that money. Okay, definitely these stock and crypto referral links. Sign up for all those, and affiliate links referral. Definitely do the unlimited daily payments forever. The Profits Power System. Do the My Lead Gen Secret. Do the Leads Leave. Financially Free Club. Definitely school. Sign up for school with my link. These other ones, kind of choice is yours, but definitely I would try. You could definitely try this trading indicator right here. VIP indicators with my link. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions here about those links, please let me know. Mitchell Makes Vids. I'm here to help you make money. Okay, this is what I want to do. This is what I'm here to do. This is what this video is here to help you do. I'm going to be updating this page, It's in the video description. Let me know in the comments. Any questions, subscribe, like. I love you all. Make that money. Make it happen. Support your family. And I will catch you next time. Thanks.